In this video, we listed the 5 best semi-automatic welding machine on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HZXVOGEN 5-in-1 MIG 185. The HZXVOGEN MIG 185 MIG welder is a versatile and efficient welding machine designed for a range of welding applications. Featuring a color LED panel for easy parameter reading and mode selection, this welder supports gas, mixed gas, and gasless functions, suitable for welding 0.8, 1.0 mm solid, flux wire and workpieces of 1 to 8 mm thickness. The machine offers auto-matched wire speed and output voltage adjustments for optimal welding results with minimal splashing. It also includes a lift TIG function for welding stainless steel, iron plate, and carbon steel with 1.6 mm and 2.4 mm tungsten, accommodating thicknesses of 1 to 6 mm. The MMA function allows for welding with 2.5, 3.2, 4.0 mm electrodes on 2 to 12 mm plates, providing stable current and good performance. Featuring inverter technology, IGBT, and a duty cycle of 40%, this welding machine is equipped with various accessories, including a MIG torch, earth clamp, electrode holder, and flux core rolls. With a sturdy build and multiple welding capabilities, the HZXVOGEN MIG 185 is a reliable tool for welding tasks in various materials and thicknesses. Number 2. ANDELI Semi-automatic machine. The ANDELI MIG 270 welder is a versatile 3-in-1 welding machine designed for flux MIG, lift TIG, and MMA welding modes, supporting both 110V and 220V power supplies. With a weight of 7.1 kilograms and dimensions of 455 by 180 by 300 millimeters, this welder is portable and suitable for various welding needs, making it ideal for beginners or experienced welders. The welder features a large LED display for easy and accurate data reading, enhancing user experience. With a simple control panel for easy operation, this welding machine offers excellent welding characteristics and a smooth wire feed using a high-quality integrated wire feeder. The ANDELI MIG 270 welder prioritizes heat dissipation for longevity and reliability, providing users with a convenient and efficient welding solution for a range of applications. Number 3. HITBOX 3-in-1 welding machine. The HITBOX HBM 200 MIG welder is a versatile 3-in-1 welding machine designed for gasless MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding applications, supporting 220V or 110V power supply options. With a weight of 6.3 kilograms and dimensions of 43 cm*, 24 cm*, 28 cm, this welder offers portability and versatility for various welding tasks. The machine features automatic wire feeding speed, a large LED display, and a single-knob intelligent control system for ease of use and precise welding settings. Equipped with a synergy function for smooth arc control and built-in protection systems for overheating and overcurrent, this welder ensures reliable performance. Portable and easy to set up, the HITBOX HBM 200 comes with essential accessories and a 2-year warranty, providing users with confidence and support for their welding needs. Suitable for welding metal parts up to 5.0 mm thickness, this welder offers efficiency, energy savings, and stable arc length control, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced welders. Number 4. Keygree MIG 2500 welding machine. The Keygree multifunctional smart 5 kg MIG 2500 welder is a versatile welding machine designed for various welding applications. With a sturdy aluminum build, this welder offers durability and reliability for welding tasks. The EU plug type and dimensions of 540 by 310 by 415 mm make it suitable for different work environments. Weighing 17 kilograms, it strikes a balance between portability and stability. The wire feeding speed of 25 enhances efficiency during welding processes. While this welder is not a smart device, its multifunctional capabilities make it a practical choice for welding projects. Number 5. PLASMARGON MIG Welding Machine. The SUSEM's MIG200 welder is a versatile welding machine capable of MIG, TIG, and MMA, stick, welding, offering flexibility for various welding processes. With a weight of 6.3 kilograms and dimensions of 375 by 245 by 285 millimeters, this welder is portable and suitable for a range of welding tasks. It features IGBT inverter technology for precise current control, ensuring high quality and stable performance. The machine supports input power of 2.7 kVA, 3.8 kVA and operates on 220V or 110, 220V plus or minus 15% voltage. With MIG voltage ranging from 14 to 21V and a duty cycle of 60%, this welder is efficient and reliable. It supports a welding current range of 20-200 A for MMA and TIG welding, and welding thickness ranging from 1 to 5 mm for ARC welding and 1 to 5 mm for lift TIG welding. The welder comes with essential accessories including a welding gun, welding holder, ground clamp, flux cord wire, mask, and cleaning brush, making it ready for immediate use. Whether for hobbyists, makers, small fabricators, or craftsmen, the SUSEM's MIG200 welder offers ease of operation and portability for various welding applications.